exercise. Hi students, question number 2, integrate the following with respect to x. Question number 2, x cube into e power 3x, x cube into e power 3x. Okay, so that same model, x into e power x, here also x cube into e power 3x. Okay, that means two differentiable functions are in product, that is x cube into e power 3x. Okay, so just x is the algebraic form, x will be take u. Okay, why? Because I late using the rule e power 3x is, that is exponential form. In this word exponential e is e letter will come last. Okay, therefore integral u dv, integral dv equal to, that is exponential form, integral e power 3x. Okay, u must be differentiate, d will be integrate. Okay, now going to see the solution. Okay, this is the given question, integral x cube into e power 3x. This is the given question, integral x cube into e power 3x into dx, that is with the integrate with respect to x. Okay, x should be algebraic form, therefore u, e power 3x nothing but exponential form, therefore you should take dv. Okay, so u should be these functions, u algebraic form you should differentiate with respect to x. Okay, d must be integrated with respect to v. Okay, therefore u equal to nothing but x cube, u equal to nothing but x cube. What is the differentiation of u? That is nothing but u dash. What is the differentiate with respect to x mean? So x cube differentiation 3x square. So again we will do the second derivative, that is again once again we will differentiate with respect to x mean u double dash equal to 6x. So 3 2s are 6, using the x power n formula, d by dx into x power n equal to, that is constant term keep as it is, x square, derivative is nothing but x square, differentiation is, that is a differentiate with respect to x, this is nothing but 2 into x power 2 minus 1. Clear? Therefore 2 into x power 1. Okay, therefore this is nothing but 3 2s are 6 x u double dash. So again we will do the derivative mean, we will get, so again differentiate with respect to x mean we u triple dash equal to 6 is constant, keep as it is. Okay, therefore x differentiate with respect to x mean will get 1. Okay, therefore 6 into 1 nothing but 6. So again do the derivative mean will get 0. U fourth derivative will get 0. Okay, no need to write. Okay, just to stop here. Next integral u dv. So integral u dv, what is the integration for this? V alone equal to e power 3x into dx, nothing but integration for this e power 3x divided by 3. Okay, why? Because in this power linear form, that is e power ax plus b form. Okay, integration for this function equal to e power ax plus b divided by a. Okay, this is the rule. Okay, here coefficient of x is, you should divide. Okay, here coefficient of x nothing but 3. Therefore e power 3x divided by 3 is the integration for this function. Okay, so again v1 mean v integrate again with respect to v mean v1. So 1 by 3 is here constant term, keep as it is. So again e power 3x will do the derivative mean e power 3x divided by 3. Will do the integrate mean e power 3x divided by 3. Okay, therefore 3 3s are 9. So e power 3x. Okay, in this denominator you should multiply, in this constant terms mean will get 3 3s are 9. Okay, So therefore e power 3x divided by 9. Okay, next v2 again. Why? Because u triple dash up to u triple dash, therefore here you should integrate v3. Okay, using the Bernoulli's formula, u triple dash mean, so here up to you must integrate up to v3. Okay, we have v3. Okay, now v2 mean again integrate with respect to v1 mean will get v2. So 1 by 9 here keep outside, that is constant. So e power 3x integrate with respect to x mean, so we'll get e power 3x divided by 3. Okay, now simplify mean we'll get 9 3s are 27. Therefore v2 equal to e power 3x divided by 27. Next v3 mean again v2 integrate with respect to v mean will get this. Okay, so here 1 by 27, here also keep constant, therefore 1 by 27 keep outside, so 1 by 27. So now again e power 3x integration mean e power 3x divided by 3, therefore 27 into 3 nothing but 81. Therefore v3 equal to e power 3x divided by 81. Okay, so here u triple dash and here v3. Okay, just stop here. Why? Because here fourth derivative will be 0. Okay, so 0 and anything 0, therefore stop here. Okay, here also up to these terms. Okay, next using the Bernoulli's formula, now using the Bernoulli's formula, integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1. Now Bernoulli's formula, uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus up to etc. Okay, this is the formula says. Once again Bernoulli's formula, integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3. Okay, plus up to etc. plus up to etc. Okay, so substitute in this function uv substitute in this function uv. Okay, next u dash v1 is nothing but this, so u double dash v2 mean this nothing but this, so just a product, just a substitute in this Bernoulli's formula. Okay, therefore x cube e power 3x divided by 3 minus 3x square e power 3x divided by 9 plus 6x e power 3x divided by 27 minus 6 into e power 3x divided by 81. Okay, that is these are all u dash, u double dash, u triple dash. Okay, now here take out common, which is common, e power 3x is common in all the functions, all the terms e power 3x, here take out e power 3x is common, therefore rest of the term is, these are the rest of the term, that is x cubed divided by 3 minus 3x square divided by 9 in this term, 6x divided by 27 plus 27 minus last term is minus 6 by 81. Okay, okay, so plus integral constant, you must be right, integral constant plus c, here also plus c, so last term also plus integral, after the integrating you should write plus c. Okay, so this is the solution.